Hey y'all, it's Christina. Alright, so I just got this package in, maybe 5 minutes ago. I'm gonna go show y'all. I already know what it is. And I believe I told y'all in that video I uploaded earlier what it is. I'm not sure if I did or not. Alright, sorry, I just ate too. Alright, so pop that over there. And it is the card game Never Have I Ever. I knew I was going to be getting this today. Well, it originally was supposed to come tomorrow, but I guess it arrived at the facility in Ashland, and it was shipped to the plant to Amazon in Chesapeake. So I'm gonna kind of want to look through this now and see what I can read, see what's up with it, and maybe I can tell y'all what I think of the games in a later unboxing, or I could write it down in right now what I think of it. Alright, let's see. There's a little scan with the transparency app, so I could do that at a later time. I guess I could do that on my iPad, which I don't have right here at me. Alright, so let's see here. There it goes like that. Alright, the instruction manual. Alright. I'm reading instructions as usual. Alright, so does this have the paddles to it? Oh, this is expansion pack 1. Wait, the expansion pack itself or the whole game? I'm not even sure. Alright, so I guess this is the expansion pack I got. So I'm going to look up the actual app itself. I don't want to go to Pizza Hut. I just ate burgers. Which that grill that unboxed is doing fabulously. I love it. So I think I've cooked on it 3 or 4 times already. Alright, let's see here. So it's right now I'm looking it up. let's see. My phone just buzzed. I don't know what kind of, let's see. I'm interested in connection with the Norfolk homicide. Alright, so let's see. Alright, let's see. Alright. I guess I don't need the paddles right now. Sorry it took me so long to, go through with reading it all. The reviews and everything, plus looking at the others. Alright, this is, expansion pack 1. So, I guess I could, go up to the store, get some paper, some specific paper, and, or guess get a, blue, what it has here in the car, what it has on the reviews for the game, one side blue, one side red. So I guess I could do that and, go through it that way. Or I could just, write down I have or I have not. And on a piece of paper, fold it in half and, be boom, 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 flip it like that. This side can be never have I ever, and the other side can be I have. If that makes sense. Alright, so, let's see here. Alright, so, I guess this would be good for next time a couple of my friends come over. Hold up, how many players? Wait and put the top back on without putting the other stuff in. This is like the sticker. Alright, so... Oh, I need 4 to 12 players. You need at least 4 players. So, my mom would probably be down for that, but she passed away, so I guess for now I would probably have What Do You Mean to play. I don't think I would play this with my friend's with one of my friend's parents because of the reviews I read. Yeah, they might not want to hang around me anymore because it's like I got the game. But What Do You Mean? Maybe. I'm not sure. Maybe I could get... No, JD wouldn't know how to play it. He wouldn't understand it. Alright, so, here, let me actually look at some of the cards. Now that I think about it. Some more of the cards. Like, example... Here. Alright, so... Not even looking at the card I'm choosing. Alright. Oh, wow. I like this one. And this card I just pulled out is Been Stuck in a Friend Zone or Friend Zoned Someone. Both. Both on this one. Or maybe next one after that one would be Falling Down the Stairs During a Night Out. Ooh. No, I don't cook. No. I don't even do that. Honestly. I've never had that done to me. No. Definitely haven't been in handcuffs. Definitely haven't sexted. Said figuratively when I meant literally. I'm not sure on that one. Alright, so so it's like I have my finger in place to like keep where the cards were at. Alright, some of them I'm like, yeah, no, I don't want the comments to be turned off. So, like, I'll let y'all know what I think of that. I give my honest opinion on some of the cards. One of them was about pot. It's like, no, I've never been caught with pot, and I've never had pot. And I've never been in handcuffs either. Alright, so I think that's going to be about it for now. I will let y'all know, like, how both games turn out. I got What Do You Mean and then the expansion pack for an expansion pack for that game, so I might do both at a party, or like when friends come over next time a friend comes over. Alright, so I think that's going to be about it for now. Bye, y'all.